Danielle. Hi. I am recording you a video now. Yeah, it's gonna be Firework by Katy Perry, and it's gonna be like fireworks in your head and shit, but I need to back up because then the camera's like retarded and it makes crackly noises when I sing too loud. So that's no bueno. And you sent me a message just now. You said, sweet, but yeah, I'm gonna start singing now, so yeah. Hopefully this is good. Sorry about the mess. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let the colors burst. Make 'em go ah, ah, ah. You're gonna leave 'em falling down. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe your reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to a perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine.